In this video, I'll show you how to screenshot on your Windows PC or laptop. If you have been wanting to learn how to screenshot on your PC, laptop or Windows, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you need to do, you need to head over to your desktop background, right? This is our desktop background. Then you'd click on this search box, you'd type in sniping tool. Yeah, this is it. So you'd switch from this to this, from record to snipe. Then you hold on the new, you tap the new, then you would firmly hold it, scale size it, drag it accordingly to any size you want, any size of your desired choice. It can be this small, it can be this big. So yeah, this is it. It has screenshots exactly as we wanted. Then I'll see do this again. I'll do this again. So you'd click on this, you'd go to this search box, type in sniping tool, then you drag it to your desired choice. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.